Now, drawer slides are a lot like cabinet hinges. There's a lot of confusing terminology in the woodworking world. Let's start with these side mount drawer slides. These come in primarily two flavors, the epoxy slide and the ball bearing slide. As the name states, both of these slides are mounted onto the side of the drawer box. Now, the epoxy slide is a low-cost drawer slide that uses a plastic wheel. Pair that with a formed channel, and this allows for a nice, smooth drawer slide that is very forgiving if mounted incorrectly or slightly off. Now, the ball bearing drawer slide is a smooth operator. This slide operates even more smoothly than the epoxy slide and takes more weight. As its name indicates, this slide utilizes ball bearings to create that smooth movement. And now the fan favorite, the undermount drawer slide. Smoother than a ball bearing drawer slide, undermount slides are mounted underneath the drawer. This provides a clean and sleek look to the cabinetry. The best functioning soft close slides on the market.